everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you a new launch from MAC Cosmetics. Now this is their holiday launch. They're available at MAC online, on stores or at stores, and at Ulta, and anywhere that Macy's is anywhere that MAC is sold. So I didn't get everything from the collection. There's eyeshadows, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Lipsticks, eyeshadows, blushes, bronzers, all kinds of deals. I only got some things, but we'll show you and go through. I'll list everything below as well as retailers, but I just wanted to show you some swatches of things. I'll do swatch the lips and the palettes, and we'll just talk about it. Let's talk about it. Okay, so let's start palettes first, and we have these two shiny babies. This is called the Star Dipped Face, I can't see, Compact in medium deep. Now it's got this amazingly cute packaging. It's clear with stars, very cute. Can we cut down the plastic, MAC? Thank you, that'd be amazing. But you take it out and it has this really pretty rose gold shimmer all over it. Amazing. When we open this, we have 4 shades. Let's see, they're called, well, one's a bronzer, which is this one up here, bronzer. We got an extra dimension blush and 2 extra dimension finishing powder. So I'm assuming that this is the blush and these are the 2 highlighters. They are super pretty and they have the stars embossed on them. So let's just go finger swatch them for you real quick and we'll just put them on my hand. So taking the bronzer first, which makes me sad because I have to like go on the stars, but there it is. See, it'll look better on my face because I'm darker. It's got like a little pink tint, but it's nice. I suppose you can use this next one as like an enhancer because it's a bit of a shimmer, and this one can be used more as a blush, I'm feeling, because even though it's like not deep, it's kind of like rosy. And then we have this highlight, which is golden pink sparkles, and it's really pretty. It reminds me of the Fenty Beauty highlight diamond because it's got like more glitter than does shimmer. And then we have a shimmer right here. Let me get a little closer. Here are the shades right there. So this one can be used, I guess, for like a blushish, but it's supposed to be a bronzer. You can use this as like a hot topper. This might be more of a blush shimmer, and that's a nice little highlight. Really pretty. So that is this baby right here, and I'm proud to say that I got this with my Ulta points, meaning I got it for free because I had enough Ulta points, which take that as you will. Then we also have another compact, same packaging, except this one has pink stars and this one has pink glitter everywhere. So this is Star Dipped Face Compact in Light. Now I got this because I thought it was super pretty, that I can totally use it on my face. So 2 extra dimension blushes and 2 skin highlights. Aren't they just so pretty? I thought they were so pretty. This is actually the first one that I got, and then I got that one because I was like, oh my god, I need it. So let's watch this on this hand. We got this pink blush at the top. They don't have names. They just tell you what it is. That peachy shimmer. Ooh, it's a lolly. Alright, that one is a little similar. Oh, but not really. I thought it was going to be more. It's similar in texture to the third one that we swatched, but it's different because it's more pink sheen. And like, man, in this light, it goes from pink to green. This is the darker highlight. That's funny. Interesting. And then we have the left corner. So they're all shades of pinky. So here they are, blush. This can be used kind of as a blush topper, and these 2 shimmers. I guess whatever order they want. And I thought these 2 right there were going to be similar, but they're actually pretty different right there. Face palettes. So, yes. And they're MAC, so they're really, the formula is good. So, those are the face palettes. I'm really excited about those because they're so pretty. I'll list the price below. Also, I got this huge thing. Now, I'm not going to swatch these lips. Some are new and some are old. They're kind of just a taste of Stardom mini lipstick kit. So again, it has that plastic packaging with stars and pink stars and everything, which doesn't even say this is recyclable. I hope it is. Gotta find it. I don't think it is. Boo, Mac. But anyway, you get this bag and it's black felt. It's black, kind of really nice felty texture, and it has shimmer underneath. And then you pop it open, and then you pop it out. So these are adorable. So they have the color of the lipstick on the container, and the top is very festive and shimmery for the holidays. Can we see those in all their gloriousness? Now, some are new colors. Official Star, Kinda Sexy, CB96, Sea Sheer. I think Chili might be a favorite. Ruby Roo is definitely a favorite. All Fired Up is too. So is Candy Yum Yum. What is this one called? Nouvelle Vogue. Maybe it's Nouveau Vogue. Extra Stars Please is new. Lost in the Stars is new. And Diva. I think Diva might be a favorite. So these right here are lipsticks that are in there every day. But these are just minis. So what you can do with this is you can gift it to your favorite lipstick lover, or you can get it. You can divide it. These are great little stocking stuffers. You know who, like, I know somebody who loves reds, and that will be perfect for them. And I already have his colors, so I don't mind parting with them. But it's just a really, really cute thing for the holidays. Again, I don't need to feel like I need to swatch them because I feel like the color is pretty tried and true. There'll be different formulas. Some are matte, some are sheer. It just depends. So it's not like you're going to just pick out one or two. Like, you have to get all of them. So that is an option right there as a gift, or, you know, for yourself. Maybe you don't have many matte lipsticks and you want to try them, and minis are actually really great to try them because, I mean, I don't really go through lipsticks that fast because I have so many, but minis are a great way to try a new color without having to spend a great amount of money. I mean, not that wasn't money in this, but you know what I mean. But that is also something I got from the collection. Now there's eyeshadows, maybe a mascara, eyeliner. There's a bunch of stuff in it, but I just got the things that I knew I was gonna like, which includes 6 new full-size lipsticks. Now, they're still in the same packaging, plastic packaging, and they have stars. I didn't know they were going to come like that, but they're just a black tube, and they have the confetti glitter all up on the top. They're so pretty. So pretty. So I figure I'm going to swatch these for you. The only thing, or the thing that's special about these lipsticks is not just the packaging. When you open them, they have stars on the lipstick, and they have sparkles. So 6 colors, all of that beautiful sparkle. So let's see if it translates. Let's go one by one, all 6 colors, and swatch them. Disclaimer, I don't put foundation on my face. I'm not going to do it now, or my lips. Just that's an extra step that I don't do. You can do it if you need to. I just don't do it. So let's start with that first shade that we saw. That shade is going to be Destined for Stardom. And it's this lovely gray color. So let's put it on. Maybe I should have a mirror. Thank you. Should be a star. Oh my god, it's so crazy. I love it. I feel like this is more opaque than a lip topper. And it has all the the shimmer. We need to get a little closer. I feel like we need to get closer so you can really see. Not my face, but the sparkle. Isn't it so cool? So cool. Rock on. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do the rest. It's kind of like staining my lips. Yeah, it's glittery. It is glittery. Let's see. Okay, I did my best to get all the glitter off. I'm just gonna put more glitter on. So, all right, the next one in no order whatsoever is this pink one in Kiss of Stars. Oh, interesting. So it comes out more pink, of course, more pinky purple, but more in person, it's more blue. Actually, I should wear this. It's very frosty, very, very sparkly. The next one is Gold Star, which is this beautiful gold, beigey kind of color. It's so light. Now, it feels a little moisturizing. It does not feel grainy for the amount of color. I think the sparkle that it has. Oh, here it is. Right here. This one is called Starstruck, and it's this winey purple. On the camera it looks purple, but in person it looks more like a deeper winey purple. Oh yeah, this totally reminds me of last year's Huda Beauty lipsticks, the sparkly one. Yeah, very funny. Reminds me of After Party. Very similar. Let's see. Similar. This one right here is Huda. This one here is MAC. So MAC is just a little less opaque and a little more, like a little brighter, and the Huda is just a little deeper. But I want to say on the lips they'll translate pretty darn similar, especially because I think they're out, or maybe they're limited edition. I don't remember. Onward. Two more. Let's go with Walk of Flame, which of course is going to be this deep red. I have glitter everywhere. Ooh, so this is a cranberry. Oh, I don't want to press it and break it. Very pretty. Alright, the next one that I was super excited for is this called Asterisk, and this is this blue purpley wonderfulness. I have glitter all over my face. Look at this awesomeness. Oh, so, whoa. It's so awesome, be pretty. I love different colors. I love crazy colors. I totally wear these out and people look at me and I'm just like, you know you like it. So that was the swatches of all 6 of the, I guess, what are they called? Kiss of Stars lipstick. And that's everything that I got for my little MAC haul. If you are a collector, this is amazing and so cute and so fun. So yeah, I'll stop rambling right now. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let your friends and family know. Hello, my friends and family, and we'll see you later. Adios.